I'm just keeping it real. Got peed on yesterday. It's time to change. It's time to change. Hi. Good morning. Are we going to get your birth certificate today? You're gonna be a legitimate human. A legitimate person now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Orange juice I made yesterday, a Lara bar, 2 bananas, and it is definitely a coffee day. What do you think, Money Tree? We had to come back home because we forgot the paperwork. We got the baby, we just forgot the paperwork. Oh. Oh. Sweetie.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
His birth is officially recognized by the state.
So artistic.
You see my baby? My baby is so cute. Whoa. Oh yeah. Get that tooth out. Get those tooth out. Oh, I felt one. Cutest baby in the world.
Yeah.
The great outdoors is like a magic pill for babies. You like it out here? Cutest baby in the world. Getting some sun on my plant. Putting my son to sleep. Very excited, our Lovevery box came, designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. Yay, dry bum, high five. Get your booties on. Does mommy have her big red hat on? Yeah, do you like the big red hat? Is it so silly? It's such a big red hat. Why does mama need a big red hat in California? Why is she doing that? Just going on a walk with my neighbors who also had a baby. But I'm not bringing my camera because that is too dang hard. Back from the walk, I now need leftovers for lunch. I'm starving. Eric, did you get lunch? This is the white chili from my ebook. It's so good. I love these sheets. I got them from Solly Baby. So beautiful. This adorable hat is also from Solly Baby. Oh my goodness. Prince, come here. Prince. Prince. Prince, hello. Hello, over here. Over here. Can't reach you. Let's play with your toys. You want to play with Mom? Let's play. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love this. Cosmo, look. Oh, Cosmo, you're gonna love. Oh, it's so cool. You're gonna love this. What do you think? You're gonna love. You're gonna love. Ooh, child. You mesmerized? Oh my gosh, he loves it. Okay, this box is way cooler than I thought it was gonna be, so Papa's gonna help us film. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. These are like contrast cards, because babies love. What do you think? He was like kicking, and then he's like, ooh. What do you think, Cosmo? What do you think? Are you gonna be a big reader? Oh yeah. We'll have to read this later. It looks like a good one. That is pretty cool. I really want to be super upfront about this company because they emailed me and I was like, not interested. And then I just saw so many ads for them that it sort of wore me down. You know, when you see so many ads, you're like, okay, I'll give it a try. I emailed them back. I'm like, okay, I'd love to try your product because your ads were very persistent. Google knew I had a baby, so it just kept pressing on me. And this is so cool for new parents because Eric and I are obsessed with learning about like what is Cosmo doing now, like what is he learning now, and learning about the leaps and all the Wonder Weeks and stuff. And this just breaks it all down for you and gives you activities and explains stuff. And it's so cool. And I don't know, we're sort of geeking out on it. So this is super awesome. It's called Lovevery. I'm not sponsored. They just sent me some stuff and I'm really into it. I love that sound. What do you think? Baby's asleep for now, so I'm going to squeeze in some yoga. The new mat is very sticky.
Begin in child's pose, hips resting on the heels. Keep the knees bent. One more deep breath here. Come a little bit further into your cobra pose. And exhale, shifting back to downward facing dog within. Cobra. Keep the come into downward facing.
He gave me 30 minutes of yoga, then I got really hungry, and then he got hungry, so I had to feed him. So I'm gonna try to entertain him, and I thought it was apt to use my Harry Potter book set this up. You can look at this while Mama eats, okay, Mr. Manager? Witching hour. Look at the sunset, looks amazing. Your breath is way too high, you need to cut it. You need to cut it. Mom, Dad, dinner, and vinyl. My dad got Erica vinyl for Christmas and it finally came and now we're gonna watch it together. It's a lot of stimulation.
Listen to it.
Watch it together. I'm tired, guys.
Better late than never, I always say. Ooh, this is exactly what I wanted. Sweet baby James. Oh, and this is an original pressing. Ooh.
Daniel. It works. You didn't clink my
That
mom.
wasn't a very good.
You guys, you get so awkward when I pull the camera. We've been vlogging for 4 years or something.
One time it literally was just leftovers. A project engineer.
I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but I'm sort of killing it, this mom thing. Like, I have some days where I feel like that. Other days, I feel like a total failure. Cosmo went to bed. Yes. And now I'm going to sit here and get some work done. Probably try to edit the Christmas Day video.
You didn't want to go with the work done version?